comes in the next few seconds. Manze, meaning to a ringtone when ringtone had nothing. It is so saddening that inafika hii point ringtone anizarau na ni buda yangu alimake ringtone kukuwa who ringtone is. It's painful. Very painful. Let me play you something. If you know this song, you know who ringtone is. If you know this song. You know that song? Unajua ngoma? Sasa gospelina bamba. Hata nikwambie, this song is like 12, whatever, 15 years old. Ina ngoma ilitoa ringtone. And I remember ringtone had his song. Jamaa alikuwa amesota, alikuwa na ile red selika yake. Selika yake red. Ilikuwa ni mafuta, hata ilikuwa na insurance, kijana alikuwa na driving license, juka amepata paka leo. And I remember ringtone was really struggling as a musician. Back then my dad was a preacher. Mtoto wa pastor. Fuck it. Yeah, my dad was a preacher. So ringtone alikuwa na struggle. Ringtone didn't have gigs, didn't have anything. Niacha nikwambie, my dad alisikia story ya ringtone ile street kid whatever anasema sio kani ukweli ama ni uongo. My dad akamhurumia. He was a preacher, alikuwa na crusade across the country. Wakapatia ringtone chance ya kuperform across the country. Mimi nikisema ringtone used to come to our house each and every day. Jamaa alikuwa anakula kwetu. He literally had the keys to our house. Ringtone alikuwa anakuja kwetu, tulikuwa she Greenfields, phase 6, house number 34B. Ringtone alikuwa anakuja. Ringtone ni mtu nimejua. Hakuwa hata na shati. Ringtone had nothing. Kwa gari yake manzi alikuwa ananibebea gari yake, tunasukuma kisha mafuta, no insurance, nothing. Mimi nimeona ringtone akigrow from nothing. So inaniuma mimi buda yangu alisaidia ringtone. When no one gave ringtone a chance. Tukaperform crusade za Huruma, Machakos. Nini ringtone akapata kitu. Fast forward ndio nileta Shakila saizi. Fast forward kitu inaniuma. The reason why I've decided to come live. 27,000 freaking people, man. Yeah, to come live. The fact that it pains me up to date. When my dad died in 2007. Acha nikwambie huyu mtu budangu alisaidia kugrow. When my dad died, ringtone didn't even send a message as in to condole. Never checked up on the family. Akatusahau akaenda hivyo. Ringtone went. Shock on me manze. Nimemaliza form 4. Nikapatana na ringtone. Pale hivyo na Kumat Lifestyle. Unakumbuka na Kumat Lifestyle before na Kumat Wadai. Kale katana kana kuanga pale na Kumat Lifestyle. Acha nikwambie hakuna kitu poa kama unakutana na msee unajua for a long time hamjakutana. So my dad died in nini years past. Nikapata ringtone hapo hivyo. Hey ringtone bro ni aje sikumob. Nakumbuka all this time ringtone alikuwa ananihepa. Manze niko na namba ringtone ni bro ni mtu tunajua na fiti. Natumia ringtone manze message ananilenga. After form 4 manze most of you guys know how painful and it is when you're struggling to look for jobs, struggling to get stuff. Alafu you know this one celeb, this one person who's like a brother, a person your dad has helped grow. Now what's up ringtone ananilenga. So that day nikapata hapo hivyo na Kumat Lifestyle manze. Kasi hey ringtone bro is coming like this. Ile side nyingine ya nikaona toka ile college na kwa nimechapa sijui ni try your shit. Niko toka hii side nyingine ya Batix. Excuse me. Kama ringtone ni aje bro? Ni aje buda? Mzali angalia kaa shit akanilenga. Mzali nimeshout wasona angalia ringtone ni bro aliniangalia akanidharau akaenda. Kaniacha hapo hivyo mzali niliaibika mzee. Niliaibika mbaya. Kama chozi kalitoka sisi danganya. That day I got home and I swore in the memory always lives. In the living memory of my dad, I swore to myself to work extremely hard, to become so big in this life, without ringtone's help, so big. But one thing will always keep me grounded, to never ever kuwa na hiyo maringo. Ringtone alinionyesha. I worked so hard manzi. I worked hard. Na hii story watu wajui. I worked so hard manze. So hard. Kapil brand manze kwa la 1 hour 2 hours naanguka kwa street. Kuna siku nilianguka katao manze. Nilianguka manze so bad. And up to today, anybody who's ever met me can tell you this. Anybody who's ever met me, my friends need manze hakuna kitu mchuka kuitoka celeb, sijui star. I hate that shit because of ringtone. Sijaonesha mtu madharau, sitakangi. Ile madharau ringtone alinionyesha. After me grow msee manze. I know ringtone. Fast forward many years later manze, life kaanza kugrow, tumeanza kukua, tushaanza ku make it in life na nini. Nikapata na hii Jui. So jina ikagrow nikakuwa mbigi manze. Siku moja sasa ringtone tulienda na sijui akina nani. Tulikuwa Mashmona, kuna kasale fulani gospel kanaitwa Mashmona. Kuna boy fulani anaitwa Samu Stepa, gospel artist. My name dropping hapa manze, sijali. Tukaenda kwa hawa ringtone pale Runda. Hii hawa iko na grabbing issues hii nimeonyesha hapa hivi. Tukafika kwa hawa ringtone manze, kulikuwa na mayengs hapo. Nini manze mimi nilishtuka. Mtu wa gospel manze. Mimi sasa nilikuwa nimeokoka. Nilikuwa worship leader mtu wangu nini tumetoa ma gospel songs na hit pale hivyo Hope FM. Kaband fulani hapo hivyo tunacheza gitaa na jichocha. Kabanda kaendi mahali lakini tumeshikilia injili. Kafika kwa ringtone mzee nikapata meza imejaa wine nini. Nikashare rada manze. Nikasikia amesema manze. Mademo kwa wapi sijui nini. Hii story nawaambia. Mimi mwenyewe nimekuwa hapo. Hii si ruma watu wangu. Hii ni ukweli. Nimekuwa hapo mademu nini. Story kakuaje manze. Wakaanza kuchapa drinks manze. Hiyo time hata sikuwa manze. Najua mambo na ma drinks nini. Nilikuwa mtu gospel manze, nimetoka kuchapa ma mission Eldoret na maboy wangu wa gospel. Sitaki kuwa mention wako hapa wanaangalia mnajua. Watu wamekaza matako hapa nisiwa mention. Leo ni ringtone, nyinyi mnaweza tulia. Ringtone kaanza kuchapa ile maaskoni ma wine nini. Sasa kuna boy fulani wa gospel sikuzi aliacha gospel I think because of ringtone. Boy alikunywa, anaitwa Samu Stepa, alikunywa. Sasa ako na gospel song. Jamaa gospel song ina trend pale NTV crossover. Pale hivyo ile show ya DJ Kroba. Kroba ilikuwa KTN back then ama nini? Ilikuwa Kroba na ilikuwa KTN. Ngoma imetrend gospel lakini wanachapa vinyweo. Jamani ile maana ile pombe manzi akaanza kupiuka hapo hivyo. Akacollapse manzi tukadhani nimekufa manzi ama sijui nini ina happen. Samu Stepa manzi Mashmona manzi ako hapo manzi hata zake ni kazi zimeshika kiasi manzi. Akashtuka akasema boy wangu anago. Ringtone akasema leta maji tumwagilie. Ikaendewa bucket. Jamaa alikuwa chini amelala. Akaamka. Tukashikilia roho bana. Samu Stepa bana hajakufa bana. Obo ajai kwa the same. Samu Stepa ajai kwa the same. Hakuna ngoma shaitwa hit. Ajai tokea kwa charts. Samu Stepa sijui kwa wapi siku hizi. Alikuwa boy gospel. Colors gone. Mr. Apoko ringtone. Ringtone Apoko. But then kuna story more, acha nisiwaike sana. Shakila kwa wapi? Kuja hapa Shakila. 32 freaking thousand people, man. Acha nikwambie, it's gonna go down in history, my nigga. Gonna go down in history. Ringtone, acha nikwambie, you wanted my attention, Ringtone. I have given you 32,000 people strong. Attention nakupatia kuliko ya TV bana. Shakila kuja hapa. Ako wapi Shakila? Kama hapa Shakila. What the freaking hell is Shakila? Ringtone sasa anasema ajui Shakila nani. Nini. Hata Shakila akuja hapa tupate historia ya ringtone. Mnajuana? Kuliendaje? Jamani slide ya mama nini? Let me tell you, ringtone imeanza na smaliza na wewe. I've started with you very well, ringtone. This goes down the biggest beef forever. I don't freaking care. Yeah, Shakila kama hapo kwa Shakila kwa freaking Shakila kwa. Tuko 33,000 people hapa. So nimeanza na ringtone in phases. Phase ya kwanza ilikuwa what the blogs and what the facts are about ringtone. Hao yake, msato hao wapi. Na kuna acha nikwambie, nimeka poll nikauliza wase hapa hivi, ringtone nashai kuja high school yenyewe akakukon pesa ya t-shirt na ma CD. Huyu jamaa alikuwa anajaza ma CD kwa gari anazunguka chuo kaa zote. This guy zunguka more than 500 schools in this country. More than 500 schools. Unaambia watu hiyo kulipa sijui so 3 ama so 5 ya t-shirt. Na unawarusha bro. Unawarushaje watu hii wa high school bro? Nimeka poll 2 hours your poll 2 hours. I have like 11,000 people. Naonesha screenshot. More than 11,000 Kenyans have been conned by ringtone. Bro, chapa hesabu 11,000 times hata tuweke so tatu. Hiyo ni ngapi? Hiyo ni kama mita tatu ama ngapi? Yeah, ni kama mita tatu. Not 11,000 wenye wameona status yangu. What about those people wenye hawako Instagram? Hawajui nini ina happen. Hawako kwa mtandao. Bro, na unajiita gospel artist. Unafanya video hapa hivi unaniambia tienda kula matako na magei. Wewe ni mtu unahubiri unaambia mwanaume mwingine kula matako. Ringtone. Hi, ringtone. Injili gani unahubiri? Hi. Shakila kuja hapa. Naona tukifika 40k leo manze. Hata club covid haiko hivi. Ringtone are making you famous today, bruv. No shit on. Ringtone, kuna leo. History. Unataka Ringtone, you wanted my attention, I'm giving you attention. 34,000. Yeah, what's up, baby girl? How you doing?
Hi, how are you?
Mimi niko poa, umeshindaje?
I'm okay, I'm good.
Bangu bana, Shakila, this is not the platform to sell nudes and OnlyFans. It's not here, Shakila, please. Kuna bwana ya mtu wako hapa na bibi yake amejificha kaangalia watoto wasijue huko hapa bana. Sasa watu.
No, actually I had my remote. I was having my remote, yeah.
Ulikuwa unafanya na remote?
Yeah, I was having my remote. So tell me, what's up?
Okay, check it. But then Shakila, umetrend sana Shakila.
Yeah.
Watu wanasema una cloud chase nini Shakila. Shida yako unajua, people have been calling me Shakila, asking me what is the problem with this 19-year-old girl. Shakila, who fucked you up? Shida yako as in kuna mtu alikuwa alikuwa akili ama what's wrong? Akili yako are you good mentally?
I am okay. What I can tell these people, if they think that I'm cloud chasing, see, they have their own platform. See, they do the live. They do it. They go down with names out there. I'm not cloud chasing for anyone. I'm just being real. If a nigga fucked me and now he claims that he doesn't know me, what is wrong, manze? What is wrong with the nigga? You need to own up. If you entered inside someone's pussy, you need to say, I entered inside it. You get it? And just because I'm young, that don't mean that I can say whatever thing that I want to. I can walk naked if I want to. It's my body. You get it?
Okay, Shakila. Niliona, you posted a screenshot about ringtone. And it's like, damn. Let me talk to me. Do you know ringtone? Do you guys know? Like, the other day you guys had a thing. You guys faxed. Ilikuwa ukweli ama ilikuwa uongo?
Okay, this is what happened. That screenshot, me actually never knew ringtone. Ringtone nilianza kumsikilia na hizi kelele zake nyingi, you know. I knew ringtone when I was young. I was singing this song, I don't know, Pamela. You get what I'm saying? So,
Pamela imetoka juzi. You're calling yourself when you are young. It's
a site in Telegram. You get like for if I can say hose or something. So, you get what I'm saying? And there's so many people who are
Wait. Shakila, listen. Ebu take me back. Take me. You've talked about something there. There's a site in Telegram. Ulipatana ringtone. Ama nini? I didn't get that part yet. Sorry for that.
Site on Telegram, which one it deals with girls, like porn and everything they sell. They charge also, like it's like for me, but them it's for Telegrams. You get it? So there are lots of people who are there. Lots and lots of people. If I mention them, I will even find myself Jimmy Postio wapi. So let me.
Even Ringtone was in the group. Was Ringtone in that group?
Ringtone was in that group, and then actually messed around with my friend. And that's why my friend was like, "Oh, I'm from a sleepover at Ringtone." I'm like, "Okay, Ringtone ule mmoja."
Hebu ngoja Shakila, wait. Unatupeleka, unaongea haraka sana. Hebu take us slow. Unaongea kama umekula battery. Relax. Na energy, relax. We are here to understand. So Ringtone DM'd you, and then later on, mukapatana kwa Telegram group. So that Telegram group is for young girls to have sex with people. What is that Telegram group about? Because you mentioned hoes and people are paying to get in the group. Please take us slowly. What happens in that group? Your Telegram.
It's a Telegram. Girls go there. They like take their pictures, nude pic. It's like an OnlyFans, if that's what I can say. You get. So the guys, this link sent to guys. The guys joining. I left it when it was at 300. Yeah, the maximum is 300 members. You see a girl, you see the pictures, there's the numbers there. You say 1 half for an hour, 2 hours for skip off and everything. My friend was in that group. That day, my friend, I can remember, so we go out. I'm like, yeah, okay, so we go. Then she was like, oh, do you know I'm from Ringtone? I'm like, oh, Ringtone, so that was like, okay, if you can get it, I can get it, anyone can get it. What did I do? Boom. What did I do? See, I texted him. I was like, hi. My name is Shakila. This is my number. Can we hang out sometime? I was so surprised the next day I'm seeing Ringtone has texted you, And he was like, yeah, sure. Why not? Then he called me. Then from there, like, we've been talking, we've been hanging out. I also have his friends who are there. He's hanging out with Kina DK when you beat in Runda. We've gone to so many places. With, they bring girls. They have fun, drinks, everything, yamachoma, blah, 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 road trips. In his house, though, you get what I'm saying? With that decay when you beat, I have everything. So now I'm really shocked when I didn't even know Alingilia J's story. You get? I still now I don't understand how he entered inside this story. Because me no kidogo, he's saying, sijui XTIAN, he'll pray, mashoga wa kukujie. I was shocked. I was really shocked. XTIAN, shogas to come and do you. Kama yeye, he's saying shogas to come to do you that. That means what? He's also from the gay community. The way he behaves, the way he talks. Or what's the conclusion?
Hey, Shakila, hey! Ni kama ulikuwa zile betri zako za remote kabla ulikuja hapa, umekuja na moto sana Shakila. You've come with a lot of power and steam and everything. Pizzazz.
I practically I don't like it when a guy that hanijui, he doesn't know me. I don't know you knew me. Can I tell the people that you're suffering from this disease though? Can I tell them that you have a delayed ejaculation?
Right.
Should I tell them that?
Hashtag, my people, hashtag, for that, join the Twitter, hashtag delayed ejaculation. Make sure you tag Ringtone. Hashtag delayed ejaculation should be trending topics.
I can't believe, actually right now even, najitukia by the way, messing around with a person like you, Ringtone.
Shakila,
I find you this marker.
Shakila, you took your time.
Yeah?
You took your time, ukaenda ukanunua whiteboard. Na marker pen ya black, ukaandika ugonjwa ya Ringtone kwa ukuta.
This marker pen, I've used this marker pen to write about Ringtone, but also this marker pen has helped me satisfy. I never use this marker pen a million times. Ringtone again.
Hashtag delayed ejaculation. Hashtag Toboa. Hashtag Ringtone Apoko. Let's make Ringtone famous. You want to be famous? 42,000 strong. This is way bigger than anything that has ever been streamed by any personality in Kenya. This is history. Ringtone, this is history because of you, Ringtone. Okay, so how yake Runda? Can you explain to us nyumba yake ya Runda inakaaje? Mimi nimekuwa hapo, najua kama umekuwa hapo. Pia wewe Shakila unapenda kutubeba.
Let me tell you.
Unapenda kutubeba uzinga sana na maongo. Tuambie, explain the house. I've been there, I know it.
Okay. So when me and Ringtone, like when we have been meeting and everything, there are always different numbers which call me, and okay, for me, even the people who have been calling me, when you're Metwa Nambango on Instagram, I've answered some of them, but I don't talk. The different numbers have been calling me. I mean, I just looked at Ringtone. A really pathetic, rough, ugly, disgusting voice. I'm coming for you, where you Uber to this place, and then you come. Okay, I'm like, okay, sure. So we meet up. But his house is in Runda. That guy, each and every single time we go to his house, he always uses different routes. I mean, unapitia kwa vichoche. But remember, we passed by John Kubai's house. That it's in.
I am not. And this is the point I put a disclaimer. Whatever Shakila says is Shakila says. Whatever I say is my says. Disclaimer. We don't mention. We're on Ringtone. We're on Ringtone. So, Ringtone's house.
Yeah. So the first time it was on his, I went with an Uber, akakutania katikati. The second time tukapanda that Mercedes, a grey Mercedes, yeah, some KCW Mercedes. The third time tukakuja kwa Range Rover. So all this time this guy, he's been using different routes to go to his house. So in his house, it has a big compound. I can't lie. His gate is grey na funguliwa. It's a really big compound though. Me can't lie. His house is red, and I can tell you, mi niliingilia na kitchen. Niliingilia na kitchen. Like
hata niliingilia kitchen, yeah.
Mlango.
Atumiangi mengi ndo anatumianga kitchen now, yeah. I believe. Tuendele. It's true.
Yeah, tuliingilia kwa kitchen. Mi kuingia it was me ndo nilikuwa na ringtone nimekuja naye. Is like, oh, you know, I'm having investments. I don't know land. I'm from a meeting, in Ruai, blah, blah, blah. All that. But I was like, okay, I'll make you treat nicely. You know, I'm looking for a wife. I'm like, okay, so long as I'm here.
Wait.
You can give me all those investments.
Wait. There's one very important thing that all of us are wondering. Right now, Shakila, how long ago was that? Ilikuwa mwaka gani? When was that? Can you remember?
It was this year. Like this few months, this 2 months ago. I'm talking about this 2 months ago. Was when I started talking to Ringtone.
2 months ago?
Yeah, like we've been meeting up and shit. I even have M-Pesa transactions. But you know the difference, nalikuwa ananitumia na sijui difference number pia. When you enter inside his house, the sitting room, anawaambia mwache simu hapo kwa dining. So unaingia kwa kitchen, unaona dining, alafu the sitting room and then the bedroom. It's a 3-bedroom house. You've ever been in that house, you know that.
I know the house. Very well. Very well.
Yeah. So I'm there, I'm finding kina DK kwenye beach with some other stories and some other people I won't say the name due to my security also. I'm there, lakini DK kwenye beach, you are really good in this business. Everyone knows. You even have, I don't know, there's a time you are exposed, you have or in opportunity it will happen. So
what was it? 45,000 strong. Ringtone, this is for you. We're making you famous. #Toboa, #delayed ejaculation pale Twitter. Kama uko na simu mbili. Shakila, tuendelee. Nyumba ya Ringtone?
Yeah. So there were many stories and everything. Tuliambiwa tuache simu hapo, and then we talked, tukaletwa drinks. Anaambia wasichana come in front, you know. Hapo kwa the fireplace, anaambia simame hapo. They start dancing and I was spanking. I was like, okay, you know the way me I'm always shy, but then akaniambia you just sit, you don't worry. And it was just, it was just okay. You're taking a video of me. Or you can take, but not now. Wait, let me first finish. Yeah. So I was like, okay, sure. I was just watching the girls and I'm being like, then how I don't even how to explain it. I'm really hurt how he's saying that Anijui. Anashika those girls and stuff, they're entertaining, wanna check up, blah blah blah. You get what I'm saying? Even like taking pictures with his phone. He was telling, I don't know if it's his PA or his bodyguard or his man, one of his people. I'm being like, this one, big a picture, this one, take the number. You know, he was just directing. You get. So me, I was like, I don't feel comfortable. Like, why do I have us and I'm being told to sit down? You know, and I'm watching other girls to have us out there. I mean, my ass wasn't for sitting down. I also want to shake my ass.
That is a 19-year-old ass.
I mean, I'm sure. So, okay. Oh, no. Watch this guy akupeleke. So, Sinia, he said, okay, sawa. So, one of those guys was being directed. Let's just.
No Wi-Fi.
Yeah, I'm here. Someone was trying to call me.
Okay, sorry. Those minions took me to the bedroom, and it was like 20 minutes there. You get. So that at the 20 minutes, I was bored. Hakuna kitu ya kufanya. Then he came. So when I was bored, nilikuwa nimedoze hivi, like nimelala kwa kitanda. I'm just like in the ceiling. My legs were dangling from the side of the bed. Then he came, boop, can you look here? I'm like, I can't say I didn't enjoy it. It was nice. It was nice. But then, things like from here to there, I was like, no, like, oh, sorry, there's someone who's going to call me. I'm like, no, nini. You get, it was like, I'm like, no, I can't. Then DK called him. Then they went back to the sitting room, and I wore my bra, I wore my shirt back. I was like, okay, but we didn't do it at that time. So we've been hanging out. He's been calling me from Gong. Sometimes I don't have cash. I'm like calling him, and then he sends me cash. Or sometimes I use his car. Even that time when he was going to Masai Mara, actually, like tumeanza kukosana kidogo, but then it was okay. Yeah. So when I discovered that he had a delayed ejaculation, and now he's pretending that he doesn't know me. Many people don't understand what a delayed ejaculation is. This person is trying to call me. What a delayed ejaculation is when a guy can't come. You get? Like,
no, Shakila, wait. Ebungoja. It feels wrong for someone with this my big age nikayapa nikisikia mtoto mdogo wa miaka 19 akiongea about delayed ejaculation. Hi, Shakila, no. It doesn't sit right with me. No, please. Sema tu Ringtone hafiki mwisho. It doesn't. Shakila, it doesn't. But Shakila, let me ask you this. Yo, Shakila, focus here. Let me ask you, Shakila. You don't feel guilty? Auoni kama uko na shida fulani? Like everything is perfect with you. Wait, Shakila, focus here. Focus. As in, you don't feel weird. You don't feel like there's something wrong with you with all these big men, celebs, drama yote. Are you the issue? Are people like Ringtone the issue? Uko sawa?
What?
Are you good?
I'm so okay, actually. XTIAN, I am so okay. I'm not even bothered. My life is doing okay. I'm still eating.
Umeziba microphone, Suski. You've shut your microphone.
What? Can you hear me now? Unanisikia?
Uko sawa? Are you normal?
Yeah.
Are you normal, Shakila? Because people your age at 19 wanaangalia makatuni wakibeba madoli. Wao unabeba mizigo ya wanaume huku Nairobi at 19 years old, Shakila. Ow! What went wrong, Shakila? What went wrong? No, it's sema ni corona. Hey.
As I said earlier, I told you guys earlier, be proud of your hustle. Mimi nashtuka, I'm seeing people wanaanza kujitetea ati, oh, we met at a hotel. Oh, I'll sue you. Oh, I've gotten so many DMs from so many verified accounts that telling me don't do it, don't expose me. I'm so okay. I am so okay. And that means mtu akiniletea ujinga, I will just take a screenshot and I'll put it out. Right now I don't care.
Shakila,
I'm feeling hungry for pizza in, I'll just call.
No.
Yeah.
Shakila, I have a question. Who are you staying with? Your mom, your paps, your family? Who are you staying with?
No, actually I'm not even staying with my parents. That was the question.
Where are they?
Well, I was seeing them asking me. They were asking me, are you with your parents? Where are the parents of this girl? I'm not staying with my parents. As I said earlier, there was a time like I said earlier on my status about my OnlyFans when I was still introducing my OnlyFans. I said I secured my own house, but like due to certain reasons after the whole sending thing, which happened yesterday in Osoti, I'm not in my house because people are coming to my house in Kileleshwa. They're like, oh, this is Shakila, blah, blah, blah. You get, yeah.
Wait, Shakila, how do you know these things? 19 years, a house in Kileleshwa, how? How, Shakila? Umemaliza hata shule, are you working? How, Shakila? Wazazi wako wamekuongelesha, umechapwa, umerudishwa nyumbani ukaongeleshwa na familia. Do you have family, aunts, uncles,
no.
A grandmother for crying out loud? Kuna mtu anakuongelesha? Is there someone anakuambia, Shakila, what you're doing is not... Kavo! Hi!
I've gotten that from random numbers, yes. But what I can say is that there's some certain issue that has been going on, like towards my family and my dad, and I don't think that this is the right place, the right time that I can talk about it, because there's just issues here and there, like him saying I'm no longer his child, family dividing and stuff. I was like, okay, I think it's high time for me to just make my own decision. You know, I can't like all the time crying because of my dad. Me and my dad, we've like been friends ever since I was 0 to 8 years old. Because my mama was still in KMTC, so most of the time I used to spend time with my dad. So like even if like I know there are people who watch this live who are with dad's friend or something, they can tell you that whenever my dad was, maybe I'm in the call for you guys. So things started changing because we are actually 3 in the house. We are three children. So for 8 years I was alone. Then boom, my first brother happened to be. Then from there, like things started changing. You get what I'm saying? And I kind of like lost track of my connection between me and my dad. You get? So about like 5 months ago, was it in June? No, yeah, no. Maybe yeah. So from there, like there was a time the curfew was like at 9. You get? So I came home at around 8:10ish. It was raining heavily. So I was from Mombasa Road. I was from Syokimau. So when I came, my dad is the one who opened the door for me. He's like, Rudy Malumetoka. And I was like, wow. I was like, okay, I want to talk to mom. Then he was like, he didn't even open the door actually. He just told me like on those spaces this not
okay. Shakila ni kama umeanza kutupatia series hapa. Na unatupatia series tunataka kuona highlights. Wewe unatupatia sasa series ya maisha yako yote. Nimekusikia and I think what I can pick from your story, which I actually do feel you. It's like you don't have a very close connection with your family, your dad. I can sense a bit of daddy issues. I don't blame you. And I don't judge. I'm one person who never judges because different people go through different shit. But that said and done, whatever you're going through, Shakila, do you ever sit down and ask yourself, what am I, as in what I'm doing, is it right or is it wrong?
What? I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
Have you ever asked yourself if what you're doing is right or wrong? Ama we kaende. Kesi badai.
Okay, that's a question I always ask myself.
Hatukuski. Yeah. Hold your phone properly, covering the microphone.
Through WhatsApp. So, can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, so that's a question that even my mom has always been asking. Just a few years from now, where you going to be, your reputation, you know, because I was actually like developed a really good friendship with my mom. Like my mom is my best friend until yesterday when she saw the whole thing that was going on. I don't know, money moms, I don't know this, you feel blah blah blah, chit chat, you know. And she was like, "What are you doing, Mimi? You were going live, blah blah blah." I was like, I was just drunk and everything. But I usually ask myself that's exactly why I not invented exactly, but invested in online business. Because OnlyFans, I earned so much cash on OnlyFans. Then she came to accept
online business of selling nudes at 19 years old. Online business. You're calling selling nudes at 19 years old online business, Shakila? Like, seriously, Shakila? Seriously?
Yeah. What?
You're calling online business ya kuuza nudes at 19 years old biashara. Unaita biashara.
You know what people think on OnlyFans is that, I don't know, you sell yourself. No, it's like you're doing it indirectly. I think most of your OnlyFans, and it's about like your body. And sell your content when you're talking, when you're doing this. And I usually go on a fee of 15,000 subscriber monthly. And like I have right now, I'm at 20.
Okay, Shakira, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this because I'm also getting tired to some extent. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna ask all these people who are watching here. Tutafutia Shakila usaidizi. Let's look for help for this girl.
What?
I'm saying you're so good, Shakila, you're so nice. But yeah, Shakila, hey, umenishtua. No, where do you study? Unasomea wapi?
Where I study. Yeah. My education background.
Yeah.
Of course, I'm 19, so basically, I don't know, there was some rumor that I'm in Form 3 or something like that, which has been on the internet. I actually took it seriously. I'm not in high school. I'm in Riara.
Riara?
Yeah.
Iya wa Kristo. Hapa Mbagadi.
Mbagadi, yeah. Okay, yeah.
Hi. Okay, let me do this. Shakila, let me do this. I saw you apologize to Calligraph Jones, which was good. You apologized. It was good. Is there anyone else you want to apologize before I let you go?
Anyone I want to apologize? I think
you want to apologize.
Like, yeah, I apologize.
I'm giving you a chance, Shakila. Auntie?
What?
I'm giving you a chance. Is there anyone you want to talk to?
You're fucking up my volume. What are you saying?
Is there anyone you want to apologize to?
Yeah. Also, you should apologize though, because the name was also mentioned in that.
The disclaimer is always mentioned. The interviewees. School of thought and whatever the interviewee says is for the interviewee. The interviewer ni a interviewer. So miko kivyangu wewe ongea.
That was the footballer. Though I don't understand why he's still declining and everything. I'll just say a partial sorry. I'll say sorry, but I still won't take back my words. And I'll just say sorry. Yeah. That was Victor Wanyama, yeah.
No comment on that. No comment on that. So let me let you go. No, I want to call Sana. But yeah, hey, Ringtone to make my chance. Thank you, Shakila. Let me let you go because manze nini yako internet yako I don't know, guys are calling you too much. Ringtone, let me tell you something. That was part 2. Yeah, I'm gonna end this live. So you guys, and I ask this. Is there anybody out there who has a story to talk about Ringtone? Muko na nini mnataka kuongea? Today is Ringtone's day. Let's make Ringtone famous. So please DM me, follow me on the other account at XTIAN DELA. If you have any screenshot on WhatsApp, munitumie huko. Not here. Tunaendelea na story paka asubuhi, tuache story. Yeah. Also support all the businesses na support mnipatie pesa ni wa market, please support. But let me do this before I go. A lot of you, kuna mtu labda kwa hapa anataka kuongea about Ringtone na umo. Maybe mtu cross path na Ringtone, kwa career yake mtu amekuwa kwa hawa ya Ringtone. We don't know. Uko hapa. Disclaimer, ule mtu unaweka hapa hivi, jua. Wewe kuja hapa, wewe sema nyo unasema beba mzigo wako. Si mimi niko zangu. Mimi niko sawa. Nimeka disclaimer. I'm just the host of the show. Mko wapi? 46,000 people, 45,000. Extra in Kenya. Mko wapi hivi? Kumbuka hashtag toboa pale Twitter. Hashtag Shakila ilikuwa nini? Nani kwa hapa? Just comment. Tell me no mkono juu. Anyone free to speak. Free to speak. Kama uzai gongodo na Ringtone tokea hapa. Mkiwa high school. Kama uzai fika kwa nyumba ya Ringtone. And I don't know why, manze. Ringtone is one of the reasons why I left the gospel industry. And I gotta say this. There are a lot of good gospel artists in this country. But stupid little nincompoops, deadbeats like Ringtone are messing up the industry. Ringtone, unajita gospel, sijui nini, a father, whatever, gospel, God daddy, whatever you're calling yourself, man. Are you the epitome of gospel music in this country? Ringtone, huwa meokoka kweli. With all these stories, what I know, Ringtone, mimi nimepatia story yangu, Ringtone, toka gospel, nijoin huku penye mimi toka gospel. Ringtone, heri useme wewe si mtu gospel, ishi hapo. Ishi hapo Ringtone. Acha kusema wewe ni mtu gospel. Toka kama Poze alitoka siku ile ni ambassador William Lawson na mimi huko tuna bucket pombe. Toka kama Bahati. Imba Gengeton. Toka. Unajiweka nini huko? Unajificha nini huko Ringtone? Kuja huku. Nani kwa hapa hivi? Atileta Ringtone. Okay. Actually that's a good idea. Kama kuna mtu akona namba ya Ringtone, I know Ringtone is watching. Ringtone, I want to see you right now. I'm giving you a chance. Yeah, I don't fear you, Ringtone. Tokea saizi Ringtone. Ringtone, if you are here, I'm giving you a chance right now. Come live with me, Ringtone. Hata nikupatie followers. Apoko, come here. Ringtone, come. Ringtone, I'm gonna count out from 10. And then I'm gonna end this thing, man. Tunapatia juice ya kutosha. Ringtone tumefanya mko famous. Kesa ma blogs tutakuwa kila mahali Ringtone, pata ma followers Ringtone. Where are you, Ringtone? Ringtone kwa wapi? Request. I'm looking for Ringtone. Ringtone is not here. Apoko is not here. Ringtone, I'm giving you the last chance, Ringtone. If you have Ringtone's number, call him. Ata akuje saizi. Ringtone, come through. Come through. Come through, Ringtone. Uko wapi? Hayuko. Last call, Ringtone. Last call. Niseme sikumpatia chance. Last call, Ringtone. I'm going. Ringtone. Nani kona story? Slide pale hivyo Insta stories manze. Tunaona story. Bado niko na story nyingine moto. I have screenshots I'm posting right now. I'm not going to sleep. Check out my Insta stories right now. I'm posting stories. Hizo zote mnanitumia naenda kupost hapo hivyo. Finally as I'm winding this up, I got to say it's only fair to call a spade a spade. And it's only fair to put and state facts the way they are. And I gotta say this to my brother Calligraph Jones, manze. What Shakila did, what Shakila said, manze. Pole sana, bro. Bro, pole sana. Pole sana. Pole, bro, tumetona mbali. And that's why to some extent, bro, sikuamini story yake toka ngala video, manze. Chasha nikitetea, lakini bro, it's a fact. Yeah, bro. It's a fact. Sikuamini, because I know Calligraph, manze. Ni boy family man, manze. Walikuwa sama Calligraph, tuzi amekuwa na mtu amekuwa sisi, amekuwa pussy, amekuwa gangster mwitu, gangster ana OG. Ana is one, but ni boy is a very faithful man. Very, very faithful. I gotta say this. I know many artists in Kenya right now. Like I know a lot of artists. And I know what they do behind the scenes. Because I'm with them there naona. I see. Calligraph sijaiona. Na sisi tunamtetea kani mbaya. KRG the don hata tusiongelea. Ringtone apoko. Ringtone apoko. Siongelea. Victor Wanyama, I don't know him personally. I've met him like once Jeff Koinenga live. I don't know him personally as his social life. I don't know. I wouldn't judge. I wouldn't judge. I don't know. I have nothing to say about that. Shakila apologized. I have nothing to say about Victor Wanyama because I don't know him. I can't comment about someone I don't know on that personal level. He's more of an acquaintance. I got number yake. Tuna WhatsApp, hey bro. Lakini chilling out with him, with his voice, never done that. Maybe kama nichaja bro. Sina naomba kuvotia ukivai 2022 bro, ndakupigia kura, naenda kuweka maposta hapa for free bro. Zi utalivo bro kwa nado. Yeah, but yeah. Hao wengine manzi poza ni kawaida bro. Okay, thank you very, very much guys. I am out. Apoko, let me see for the last time kama Apoko kwa hapa hivi. Where's Apoko? Apoko kwa wapi? Kuja hapa Ringtone. Mimi Ringtone. Hata nikwambia Ringtone. Sikuchuki na kudharau. What kleptomaniacs wanasema hivyo. Ain't got no beef with you, bro. Nakudharau tu. Niko na mauchungu lakini sikuchuki. Niko na mauchungu. Okay, guys. Kusha, done. I'm out. Thank you very much. We have made history. Yeah, I'm going to post some of the business that have been supporting me. I'm going to say kupata mabundles manzi boy child. Kufanya nini support them. Thank you very much. Kidogo nasikia kurudisha club COVID hapa hivi tuendelea na dhambi iko nini. Well, thank you very much for the stories. Cheers. Out. I have never ended alive at 38,000. Kuna mtu ananiambia manzi kai XTIAN tuanze kujimarket. If this was me, ningeanza kupush my product. Acha niseme hivi wasee, acha niseme hivi. Check it. I gotta say this, I gotta give a big shout out to Next Wheels. Manzi, buy all your motifs from Next Wheels. Ni waboyonga njo Arnold Afuya cars. Big shout out to you Afuya. Najua ile time manzi ukianza kusell watu wanaanza kutoka bali sijali kabla mfike zero nishasema. Support Next Wheels kesho manzi, pombe imerudi kesho ni kusereleka ni kulewa kuanguka na magoti. Ringtone, kuja Santorini takununulia boti. Tomorrow let's meet at Santorini. Friday we have DJ Kalonje coming in. Saturday we have DJ Nash on the ones and twos. Sato manze tuko na DJ Joe Mfalme all the way from ametoka Tanzania juzi manze. DJ Joe Mfalme from Santorini. Abisha Santorini, akina Gidia, akina Albo, akina nani wako hapo, akina Thuku. Maboy wangu wote hapo hivyo. I love you guys. You guys are really something that pitching something that my DJ Slick, Johnny Tech manze nampatia mashauri tatapo. Msha make it in live manze. Msha make it in live. Kumbuka kama unataka ku travel, kumbuka ni Azami Concierge. Iko nini? Nazo post zote saizi bu support, follow. Waje nani wanapatia na do. Tangani hasi. Next will kuna do wanapeana. Follow them right now. Next Will's KE. They're giving out money. I think 1,000 2,000. I don't know. But follow them. Giving out money today, tomorrow. Thank you very guys. I'm out. Ringtone nataka kuja, nimesha market. Check simuende, hamtaki kuenda. Ebu go guys. I'm done with you guys for today. Story imeisha. Uni Jamal Gaddafi naona hapa hivi. Hajaanza kutaja maselebo wako hapa ni wachomee. Naona Jamal Gaddafi yako hapa. Oh, wow, this is a very top gospel DJ uko hapa. Wow, umeacha mtu wako uko hapa unaangalia dhambi. Oh, the freaking hell. We have a governor here. Woo. Oh, there's a kuna MP. Oh. Who's it? Oh, we got a senator in the building. Bro, I see you, bro. Washaanza kuhepa. No, wameanza kuhepa. Wameanza kutaja majina. Na wataja muhepe tokeni hapa chini ujinga wewe. Guys, I'm out. Ringtone, I'm just wasting time to see if Ringtone is coming. Ringtone is not coming, guys. I am out like I was never here. Thank you very much. Shakila tunaweza rudi naye. Shakila rudi. Tunataka Shakila. Next Aki ukam Ringtone amekataa. Yeah, check it. Go DM Ringtone. Mumwambie I want him live tomorrow. Akikubali nayo nayo. Tuongee. Iko nini? To settle beef kawa naume. Unaongeanga sana unataka akina pose nyawezi fanya kitu. Na nani bro? Made you famous tonight. I'm out man. Cheers.